Let's discuss about the lesson number line in the grade 6 mathematics book. On the word number line, you can see the meaning of it. This means numbers should be on a line. In your environment, you can see some number lines. The best example is the ruler. On the ruler, you can see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. All those numbers are marked on this line. So, ruler is a good example for a number line. There is another example you know about the thermometer. On the thermometer also you can see a number line. Now let's see how to draw a number line. This is the line. Then you have to mark the numbers on this line. The most important thing you have to remember is the gap between each number should be equal. At the right hand corner of the line, there should be an arrow. Now you can mark the numbers on the number line. On this number line, the right hand side direction is the direction that the numbers increases. The gap between each two numbers. Gaps should be equal. Now let's see how to mark the numbers on a number line. First we have to mark A on 2. We have to go to 2 and on the line we have to draw a circle and color it. This is the point A. We can write the letter like this. Then B equals 5.5. Then we go to 5 and we have to go another half. Half is between 5 and 6. Then 5.5 should be like this. Remember to color the circle you draw. C is 8. And D is 0. This is the way you mark numbers on a number line. Now let's see what are the negative integers. Previously we talked about numbers greater than 0. All those numbers greater than 0 are called positive integers. We know about positive integers. Zero, and there are numbers less than 0. All the numbers less than 0 are called negative integers. 1 less than 0 is negative 1. 2 less than 0 is negative 2. Negative 3. Negative 4. Negative 5. Negative 6. Like that, we can write negative integers. We must put an arrowhead at the right hand corner of the number line. The direction of the increase is right hand side. We have to mark those 4 numbers on this number line. A is 3. Then go to 3 and draw a circle, color it and mark it as A. Then B is negative 4. In this, you can see there are 2 4 numbers on this number line. Right hand side 4 is positive 4 and left hand side 4 is negative 4. You have to mark B on negative 4. Then remember, you have to find the negative 4 and mark B on it. And C is negative 1. Then there are 2 1s, positive 1 and negative 1. You should not put positive mark on this one. If it is the number 1, you have to think that it is positive 1. Here C is negative 1. Then mark C and D is 6. Go to 6 and mark D. This is how we mark numbers on a number line. Now let's see how to compare numbers on a number line. Compare means see whether what is larger or what is smaller. Now you know the right hand side of a number line is the direction of increase. That means the numbers on the right hand side are larger than the numbers in the left hand side. We use inequality signs to compare numbers. Those are the inequality signs. Now let's see how to use those inequality signs. First you have to compare 5 and 3. You know 5 is larger and 3 is smaller than 5. Then we have to put the inequality sign. 5 is the larger one. Then the open side of the inequality sign is on the side of 5 and closed side of the inequality sign is on 3. That means when you are using an inequality sign, larger number is on the open side of the inequality sign and smaller number is on the closed side of the inequality sign. Now let's compare 0 and 2. You know 2 is the larger one. Then open side should be on the side of 2. 1 and 4. 4 is larger one. Then open side should be on 4. Now let's compare negative numbers. Negative 2 and negative 5. You know the integers on the right hand side are the larger ones. 2 is here and negative 2 is here and negative 5 is here. You can see negative 2 is on the right hand side. Then negative 2 is the larger one. Then open side of the inequality mark is on negative 2. Negative 1 and negative 4. Negative 1, negative 4. The right hand sided number is negative 1. Then it is the larger one. Then open side is on negative 1. Negative 3 and 0. You know all the negative numbers, all the negative integers are less than 0. Then 0 is the larger number. When we have to compare negative numbers and positive numbers, we don't have to compare that much. You know all the positive numbers are larger than all the negative numbers. Then all the positive numbers are larger numbers. Then positive number is the larger number. Like that, we have completed the number line lesson on the grade 6 textbook. You